Is artificial intelligence taking over our roles at workplace, our jobs, our businesses, as well as our industries? This has become the underlying questions that people are beginning to ask. People are wondering, is this AI here to take over or is it here to support? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To you, my returning subscribers, thank you so
Welcome.
very much for staying tuned. And to my new subscribers, welcome. My name is Philippa, and like I said earlier, today we will be discussing artificial intelligence taking over businesses and
Wow.
roles. If this sounds like a topic you are interested in, guys, please hit the subscribe button so that you will be the first to be notified whenever I discuss such topics. Also, if you know someone else that is going to be interested in such topics, guys, please like, comment, and share. But I want to hear your perspective on this topic. Is artificial intelligence, that is AI, here to help or here to take over? Now, without further ado, let's get right into it. AI, as we all know it, artificial intelligence, is significantly impacting on our jobs, businesses, industries, roles. It has completely changed the way we work. It has
Wow.
changed the dynamic of the way we work, the way we analyze information, as well as data. And for some of those who don't know what the term artificial intelligence means, artificial intelligence is a broad term that refers to a computer software that engages in human-like activities, like learning. AI can learn. AI helps you plan. AI helps you analyze huge volume of data. AI helps you organize or coordinate. So these are what AI can do. And in most prevalent business use cases, AI is categorized into two. We have the machine learning as well as the deep learning. Now, the machine learning AI is the AI that is actually the most popular AI developed for business purposes. And it is known to be able to analyze and access huge amounts of data. So, for example, we all know our ChatGPT, that is a machine learning. We also know like our chatbots. For some of us, we've all used chatbots as well. And if you haven't, let's say for instance, you go to certain websites. So once you log onto that site, you get a pop-up window that says, "Hi, I'm bot. How may I help you?" That is chatbot. Yeah. And then the machine learning is program that whatever you program it to do, that is what it does. So as you feed, I call it garbage in, garbage out, so to speak. Because as you feed it information, it turns to learn more, just like ChatGPT. Have you also observed that ChatGPT is oftentimes generic? But that's because it continues to learn as you feed it more information. So that is machine learning. So as we all know, the deep learning, just like the name deep learning, it is used to perform advanced functions like fraud detection or a self-driving car. A self-driving car requires like deep learning. Elon Musk and his self-driving cars, yes, so they are into an advance in AI, so deep learning. So guys, let's look at some benefits of AI and how artificial intelligence can help in your business. Artificial intelligence can help improve your customer experience in terms of using the chatbot or the callbot. It helps streamline your processes and it can automate some certain processes for you. That way, you don't have to be physically present all the time. There are some applications that some customer or CRM tools that you use that requires you to be available 24/7. But with the invention of artificial intelligence, you don't have to do that. So you can actually call the customer services and the AI or the callbot will take your request, analyze it, channel it to the action parties and continue from there. So that is one advantage of artificial intelligence. It improves your customer experience and engagement. Number two, data analysis and insight. So AI is able to analyze huge volume of data. It's going to help you analyze it, able to detect if there's any anomalies or discrepancies. And also it just makes your work efficient, it makes it easier, and it reduces that human error. Imagine if you want to do some sort of counting process and all that. With the use of AI, you will be able to do that very quickly, very efficiently, with or no human error. But imagine if you're using your hand to calculate and you're writing that down and you're trying to calculate. The chances that you will make mistake is at an all-time high. You would agree with me, right? Or as opposed to you using an Excel sheet to do your analysis. It also helps you to improve the speed of your business. Whatever you're doing, is it construction, is whatever it is, with the application of AI, you are able to expedite action. That way, it improves your business. Automatic and efficiency of your business. This particular one I really like I had already mentioned earlier, automated. So it helps you automate certain processes. Do you know that for some of us, we are already aware, on your birthday, banks that you use, they send you receive an automatic birthday message, right? Because it has been programmed. That is AI. It has been programmed on specific dates, send out X, Y, and Z, as well as personalized recommendations and targeting. So like I said, AI personalizes whatever it is you want. Let's say I am a customer, right? And I go to a certain website to shop. If I'm looking for a particular item, based on what I have shopped the first day, what this AI is going to do is, it has analyzed my data, and based on what I have searched, it is just going to bring out some of similar items that it thinks I would need. So for me, to answer your question, no, I don't think AI is here to completely erase the human factor. I think it's just here to support, because for certain functions that you need to do, you still require the human factor. Let's say, for instance, the customer support. Of course, AI can help simplify the processes and all that. But certain actions you would want to perform, that you need to speak to a human, you need to speak to someone, because you feel that that person is going to understand what you are looking for or what you want. And I'll give you a very clear example. I had an experience. I ordered some items from one of these brands, and unfortunately for me, I had issues with the delivery location that was imputed. So I wanted to change that. At that point, the AI, the chatbot, kept on taking me from one program FAQ to the other, and I was really frustrated. I had to send an email. I sent an email, and they were then able to contact me to ask what the problem was and all that. So for me, imagine all that time that the chatbot that was programmed used in taking me from different options or different FAQs. I could have spoken to someone, right? I could have spoken to someone directly, and they would have effected the changes that I needed them to, make. So at that point, in fact, that was an eye-opener for me. At that particular point, I just told myself, to be honest, I don't think artificial intelligence can completely take over the role of humans. I don't think so. But is it going to support? Is it going to provide that advanced function for you? Yes.
Oh, yes.
What do you think? Do you think AI can do everything, and therefore we don't need humans to do anything? I would like to read your comments, so be sure to drop your comments in the comment section down below.